Plaintiff Tamika Brown claims she lent her daughter $1,500 to buy a car to get back and forth to work. But her irresponsible daughter allowed the car to get impounded, and now she's refusing to pay Mama the moolah. Defendant Aaliyah Williams claims her generous mom gave her $1,500 cash for her birthday, and she can't believe her own mother is taking her to court.
Mom, you're suing your daughter.
Oh, yes.
Why?
Your Honor, my second round terrible 22-year-old daughter, whom I gave money to buy a car so she can maintain her job, gives me a call one day that her car is impounded.
How'd that happen?
So imagine one day getting a text message that I have right here.
Yeah.
Saying, Mom, I'm about to get pulled over by the cops. Pray for me.
I assumed you prayed.
Prayed? Can you imagine this day and age, what's going on with Black Lives Matter? So I get a text message that says, don't call me, pray for me. So what do?
Ma'am.
I get on the floor and I pray. And I pray, and I pray, and I pray. I don't care what happens with anything. I just want my kid home.
Sure.
Did she care about that? No, she didn't care about that at all. Because the last message I got when she finally got free of everything was they took Momo. I could care less about the car.
Who's Momo?
That was the name that she gave the car.
I'm a good driver, so there's no way I thought it would be me to get pulled over.
Text message said I just got pulled over.
But I just didn't think
What
it would
about
be me.
this?
And then she was ununderstanding about the whole situation as if she was never young, she never messed up before, like.
Don't get me wrong, she was being, responsible. She was working at a COVID testing center. But she wasn't being responsible in how she was getting there, and if she was getting there because of me. Because I was paying Ubers for her back and forth to Queens every day.
Okay, so for her to get to her job, she had been taking Uber, and you were giving her money for the Uber.
For the Ubers. And then she found the car on Facebook.
Yeah.
Marketplace. And she asked me for the money to get it. So I sent her the money.
When you gave her the money, what did you say?
Give me my money back as soon as you get it. You make good money. This is not a gift. This is a loan.
Okay, let's just go on that. What do you have to say about that?
She did not tell me to give her the money back as soon as she can. She gave me that money as a gift for my birthday.
Okay, so you're saying that she didn't say, give me the money back as soon as you can. She just gave you the money.
She gave me the money on January 7th.
I gave you a birthday party. This was a loan.
A brunch in our living room.
A brunch?
It wasn't a party like that. I had like maybe 5 friends over. It was nothing that serious. It was nothing.
That's not what my pocket said.
Okay, so she gave you the money. It was a day before your birthday, and you're saying
Can I tell you exactly what she said?
Yeah, tell me what she said.
Here, monkey. This is for your birthday. This is from your mommy. Invest it. Do whatever you want with it. Don't waste it.
That is,
You
girl.
said don't waste it?
Girl.
She does an impersonation of you, though. You
Girl.
gotta admit that.
I told Aaliyah to be responsible. That's what I gave her the money for. I said, do what you have to do. Get the car registered, get it insured, get it inspected. Because she tells me, Mom, the car came with the license plate. It should be fine. No car comes with the license plate and it's legal. She was driving with no license. I thought she even had a license.
Okay, what happened? What about this? No license, no insurance, no registration. Tell me about that.
She's a hypocrite. One, with my insurance, she just bought a car. I was waiting for her to insure her car so that we could do the claim together. She's the one that forced me to wait to insure my car. Second, I already had an appointment for my registration. It was way past me getting my license. Now I have my license. I just got my license 3 weeks ago.
Yeah.
So
3 weeks.
And then it's like she didn't communicate with me. She didn't even ask me, hey, did you get your license? Are you on your way to get your license? Like, I didn't run her down for her insurance. Like, I didn't run her down. I was waiting on my mother. And because of COVID, I couldn't even push up my registration. Can I talk? Because of COVID, I could not push up my registration.
Because of COVID, she
I
got a
can't
good
bully the
job.
Department of Motor Vehicles.
No.
Excuses. She has a good job because
I have
of
a great
COVID.
a great job. It's her
hang on
choice
now.
to give me that money. She wanted to help me. I took it. That's my mother.
That she can pay me back.
She doesn't always say to pay her back.
She doesn't always.
Mind you, I buy her bags.
But I said that.
I buy her
Did
liquor.
she say it this time? You're under oath. Careful. Did she say, you got to pay me back? No. Was that a no?
That was a
No.
lie.
She didn't say you've got
No,
to pay me.
I don't know if she was drunk when she gave me the money. I don't know what was up with her. But she did not say I had to give her that money back.
But she
I
didn't,
never had to give my mother no money back my whole life. So, now I'm 22, I got to give you some money back?
you didn't make her pay back on other occasions, did you? Honestly, come on. You
What?
didn't.
I made her pay me back, so she's paid me back for like an Uber or two. That's about it.
If you were sitting where I'm sitting, you could understand why she would believe
Nope.
that this is mom helping me out.
I never.
She
it
never
was too much of an
specified.
expense. It was too expensive. This wasn't an Uber. This wasn't just a $30 Uber.
Then
I
why
never
are
gave
you-
her a gift this daggone expensive.
What about that?
She never specified what to do with the money.
The girl
she never
called me,
said go
said
buy
she
a car.
found the damn
I decided
car
to buy
on
it.
Facebook,
I
and
decided to look for a
Did
car
she
and buy it
tell
on
you to
Facebook.
buy? Did she tell you to buy a car? Because
No, she did not tell me to buy a car. I decided to buy a car. That was my choice. She knew I was talking about it beforehand. Like, yeah, I want to save my money, buy a car, mom, such and such. Cool.
So she had been talking about buying a car.
Because she was
And
running
it-
up my bill.
And it was her birthday, and you say this will help you out.
No, I said I'll loan you the money. Give it back. You make good money.
I just feel
You
like-
can give me my money back.
I just feel like she lying.
But do you think now that you're a grown adult and you have a job, that just out of a family relationship, that you know what? I can give her some money back.
I appreciate my mother for everything.
Sure.
She made me this way.
Sure.
And it's not like I don't give her nothing. It's not like I just take. I give her,
My
I give
bank
her
statements
money.
say different.
I give her money for anything she want. I'm on my way home from work. She call me monkey. Go pick mommy up a bottle of champagne.
She calls you monkey, and you call your car Momo. I don't want to hear what you call me.
But no, yeah, it's
Has
not like
this
I don't do
affected
anything
your
for her.
relationship?
Yes.
Without this, we cool without this.
Come on, you love her just as much as you ever.
It's like she woke up one day and bumped her head.
Okay, first of all, with your not having the insurance and those issues, even though you're right in what you're saying, it doesn't affect whether it was a loan or a gift. If it was a gift in the beginning, it doesn't suddenly become a loan because she didn't bother to get insurance. At the time the money was given, what was the intent? Not only what was your intent, but what was conveyed to her. So she knew when she got it that she would have to pay you back.
I wish I had that text message that I made it absolutely clear.
So you're saying it was a text message.
I sent her a link saying, look at the car.
Through a
and
text.
Okay, but in the text message, you said she had to pay you back.
Yes, I did.
You've got to show me that
I
text.
wish the hell
She
I'm
don't
so
got
sorry.
it 'cause I never
went
sent
so,
it.
I tried to
All
go
right,
as far back as I possibly could. I wanted to find that text message so bad. Oh my God.
Well, why would a text message be erased?
Because it goes so far back.
Because she's sneaky.
How many years back?
No, it's not that far. No, your text messages are deleted every, 30 or so days?
My message never said that.
Really?
60 days maybe, at the
No,
most?
It should be longer. than
No,
When you get a new iPhone and you
I
log into your
know
iCloud,
less-
all your messages is there.
I know less
She
about
cat.
technology than anybody. But on my rotator dial phone, no. On my iPhone, once you have someone's name, it never goes away. I have years back from that particular person. You just keep scrolling
You got a lot
down.
of time on your hands.
You're a lovely lady, but you know what? That text exists. And if you're the one bringing the suit, you then gotta come to court prepared with the evidence.
I didn't want to sue her, but she has
Why
to
are we
learn.
here?
She has to.
Why are we
She's
doing
an
all this?
adult. She has to be responsible. Aaliyah doesn't even pay
Okay.
for her phone bill.
Here's what I'm gonna do. Good old Judge Jerry. You can't prove in this court that it was a loan because you don't have that text. That would be the proof. You, on the other hand, if you were my daughter, whoa, were you just going like this because you were afraid I'm your dad? I'm not.
No.
Okay.
What she's doing, my father would never.
You are not the
Okay.
father.
Okay, I am not the father.
I wouldn't need the money back if he was.
Yeah. But I think it's perfectly reasonable for you to pay something towards that car. I find for the plaintiff in the sum of $500.
You know you owe me more money than that.
I don't owe my mom nothing. I don't owe nobody but God.
I feel like my daughter's ungrateful. She has the nerve to call me a liar and a hypocrite when I do everything for her. Anything she asks for, I do for her. The one time I tell her to pay me back is the one time she gives me, you know what.
Hey YouTube, thanks for watching. For more Judge Jerry, click here. For more Jerry Springer, click here.